Let's start our review. It's Oppo Find X3. There are three colors are available: gloss black, blue and white. Let's talk about the body of this gadget. Its weight is 193 grams, which is very light. Now look at the back, which is glossy back, aluminium frame. Now look at the screen, Gorilla Glass, IP68 water and dust resistance up to 1.5 meter for 30 minutes. Its speaker, which is stereo speaker, Type-C charging cable, hand-free Type-C is available. Dual SIM supported, nano SIM, eSIM, dual standby. Let's see the display of this gadget, which is breathtaking display. 7 inches, HDR supported, AMOLED, 120 Hz supported, depending on your activity, preserving battery power and ensuring stunning smooth performance whatever you ask of your phone. It is Face ID and fingerprint quick touch. You know which apps you need available at a moment touch. Customize the apps available to you in the Find X3 fingerprint quick launch menu for a fast, pragmatic user experience. Let's watch the cameras of this gadget. There are 4 cameras are available. The first one is main camera, which is 50 megapixel. The second one is telephoto, which is 13 megapixel 2x optical zoom. The third one is ultra wide, which is 50 megapixel. The fourth one is macro, which is 3 megapixel are available. Micro lens offers a closer look at things which can't be seen directly by the naked eye, up to 60x closer. Take it as an invitation to find new perspectives amid the seemingly ordinary. Ultra wide, which is 50 megapixel Sony IMX766 sensor, 110.3 degree field of view, all pixel omnidirectional product. 32 megapixel front selfie camera performs like a main camera with night mode support, so you and your loved ones can turn the moment into a memory even in the most spontaneous circumstances. Its processor, which is Qualcomm Snapdragon 870 Octa, for lower power consumption and extended battery life, and support 5G brands CPU performance by 25% and graphic rendering speed by 35% for a faster, more impressive experience. RAM is 8 GB and ROM 256 GB. No SD card supported. Android version is 11. It is borderless design with ColorOS 11.0. Find X3 renders color in a way designed to produce tones that appears natural rather than overly saturated for everyday interactions that satisfy the eye. Its battery is LiPo 4500 mAh, not removable, fast charging, 65 watt. You can charge this battery in 10 minutes, about 40%. Fast wireless charging 30 watt, 100% in 80 minutes. Reverse wireless charging 10 watt. Super Walk 2.0 USB power delivery. Hey Mike, how are you?
Hi, I'm very fine. What about you?
I'm pretty well. Hello guys. Today meet my partner and see his opinion about this beautiful gadget.
Let's start the review about this gadget. So, look at the display. Very glossy and very cool look. It's 120 Hz display. Its speed is very smooth and fast comparing with the other devices, which will have 90 Hz display and the 60 Hz display. And the look at the back, which is very glossy and aluminium display. But my opinion is they have a better idea or a better plan to make this, because it look like as a mirror image of the iPhone.
How do you compare with other devices?
Well, I'm comparing with the Android devices, so as you know, day by day the new era is competing with others, so I think it's a good good and better phone for your usage.
What do you think about speaker?
Well, speaker sound is very good, stereo speakers as other phones are providing, but I like their sound. It's very pretty good.
And what about camera quality, micro, telephoto?
Well, camera quality is very good, but I personally like their macro camera, which were very new and very efficient. I just reused, and you can see as in the specifications, it is much better than the others. You can see very micro things also, and you can see very far object very clearly.
What do you think about battery power?
It's very good at this time. As you know, you have the office works and other businesses and use. So you have the very good power of your phone. So we can use per day because its power is 4500 mAh, which is very long, and it take 30 minutes only to charge.
Like,
Share, and subscribe.